In the heart of the bustling jungle, a loud hic echoed through the trees. The monkeys scampered away, startled, while the lions grumbled as their naps were disrupted. It was Humphrey the hippopotamus, and he couldn't stop hiccuping. With each mighty hiccup, the ground seemed to shake a little. Humphrey felt embarrassed. No matter what tricks the other animals suggested, drinking water upside down, holding his breath, nothing worked. He was getting desperate. One sunny morning, as the jungle buzzed with excitement, Humphrey noticed colorful banners and heard the chatter of animals gathering by the river. It was the day of the annual jungle race, an event where animals of all kinds raced across rivers, climbed slippery slopes, and swung through vines. Humphrey hesitated but thought, maybe if I focus on the race, my hiccups will go away. With determination in his eyes, he lined up with the other animals. Sleek cheetahs, swift gazelles, mischievous monkeys, and even some crocs lounging by the riverbank. Ready, set, go, roared Leo the lion, and they were off. The cheetahs dashed ahead, the monkeys swung skillfully from vine to vine, and the crocs slithered through the water. Humphrey, however, struggled to keep his balance with each hiccup. As he reached the river, a daunting sight beheld him. The cheetahs were already halfway across. Hic! Humphrey's hiccup propelled him into the water with a splash. He paddled furiously, hiccups making little waves behind him. Amazingly, he saw a shortcut through some reeds the crocs were too big to slip through. With great effort, he emerged on the other side, ahead of the pack. Next, he approached the slippery slope. The monkeys nimbly climbed but slipped and slid back several times. I can do this, Humphrey said, hiccuping and panting. He found that his hiccups gave him a strange sort of rhythm. Step, step, hic, step, step, hic. It helped him climb steadily. He finally reached the top to see the cheetahs just behind him. Swinging through vines was the final challenge. Humphrey wasn't as nimble as the monkeys, but he gave it his all. His hiccups acted like a metronome, helping him time each grab and swing, and then, with one final leap, Humphrey crossed the finish line. The jungle erupted into cheers. The cheetahs, monkeys, and even the grumpy lions congratulated him. Who knew hiccups could win a race? A parrot squawked. Humphrey beamed with pride. He had discovered that even with a challenge like hiccups, he could find his own way to succeed. From that day on, whenever Humphrey had the hiccups, he wore them like a badge of honor.